Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing sources and agents so work flows. First, push your code to Azure repos or link GitHub. This provides triggers for CI. Next, create or choose an agent pool, Microsoft hosted for speed, self-hosted for custom tools. Then add service connections for Azure subscriptions, container registries, or K8s clusters. Once done, define a pipeline file in your repo Azure Pipelines, YAML, so the pipeline can run automatically when commits arrive. This sets the foundation. You now implement the core CI steps: restore dependencies, compile, run unit tests, and publish artifacts. Use separate jobs or stages to run tests in parallel and to isolate failures. This speeds feedback. Make templates for repeatable tasks like Docker build or Sonar Quebes scan so you reduce duplication. Also store credentials in variable groups and Azure Key Vault, and add branch policies or manual approval gates. This ensures secure, auditable promotion from build to release. Make sure to fail fast on test regressions. You complete the flow by adding CD stages that deploy artifacts to dev, staging, then production with approvals. Choose a deployment strategy, slots, blue-green, or canary, so you can roll back quickly. Configure health checks and monitoring hooks to validate each release. Once done, automate cleanup of old artifacts and tag releases. If something breaks, check the build and release logs first, then rerun the failed job with diagnostic verbosity and confirm service connection permissions. That single targeted retry often reveals the root.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.